How do I import my cryptocurrency transaction in TurboTax? Well, you don't have to report crypto transaction if you just bought and held onto it, or even transferred it from one wallet to another. If you received crypto as payment for services, or earned it through exchange award programs that reported as income. The IRS treats crypto sales, exchanges, or conversions as property, and their earnings are considered capital gains. The easiest way to add all of your transactions is to select each one of your exchange in turn from the Let's Import Your Tax Information page. Then Intelligent Tax Optimization will take you to your exchange's login pages. You'll have to sign into each of your exchange account in turn, and for each one, we'll automatically import thousands of transactions and any tax form you might have to calculate your gains or losses and alert you if there may be potential other income transactions. Your exchange might have sent you a list of your taxable sales, a 1099 forms, or a gain or loss report. Use that material to either ensure the information we imported matches your documents or to enter your transaction manually. So this is the end of the video. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.